Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on auto prediction or auto correction in your Tecno or Android smartphone. First, go to Settings. Scroll to the bottom until you see System. Click on System, then click on Languages and Input. Click on On-Screen Keyboard. Click on Gboard. Okay, then scroll to Text Correction. Scroll down and scroll down. Once you see Text Correction, click on Text Correction. Okay, that's how you turn on auto prediction or text correction on your Tecno or Android smartphone. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.